Alright guys, so it's your boy M Cube again, trading Monday 31st. Alright, so currently on the 15 minutes chart. Alright, like I said, I'm not doing anything different. Already I saw another blow that breaks market structure here, so I waited for market to come into my sell limit pending order. It got triggered, and then now we are in profit. Alright guys, as you can see, we are in profit. But then let me show you something quick. Also, I like to trade on a 1 minute time frame, so there is something I'm seeing here interesting over here. Alright, so if market, all right, I see a very nice M shape over here. There's a nice other block resting here at the top, and then it breaks this low. That's what I was waiting for. So if the market should continue going down, that's fine, right? We keep making profit, and then we close our trades. But if the market should pull back into this zone, let me show you what I'm talking about. If the market should push into this zone, all right, I have my other block resting right here. I'm going to sell again. All right, I'm going to sell again. Right, so it's as simple as that, guys. Very simple. So just gonna pause the video for now, and we'll see how it goes. All right, thank you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back again. You notice that the market failed to push into the zone, but I'm still waiting, checking the market. Looks like it broke too slow. All right, so if the market should close down and then it should pull back into the zone, I'm going to add another more trade. All right, so that's how you grow small accounts. All right, this already is a large account, but just for the record, if you want to grow small account, that's how you add more trades to it. Okay, so don't really rush the market. Allow markets to do whatever it wants to do, and then that's how you trade. Okay, so currently we are almost hitting a 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's a very good call. All right, for the GBP USD is 0.02. You can see it's just a 2 micro lot size, and I've been holding that for weeks now. All right, it's a long-term trade. I'm very bullish on GBP USD because the market had been selling for a very long time. Okay, and I got at a very limit, all right at the bottom. Okay, let me show you. Let me use the daily chart because I've been holding it for too long. All right, so this is the entry. You see I caught it right at the bottom. Okay, so if you want to be trading like this, like I said guys, you can just sort me out. Just send me a direct message on Telegram. All right, and the cost is going for $100. I'm going to increase it very soon, so you shouldn't waste too much time. Okay, and I can assure you, you're going to have a one-on-one class with me. All right, online sessions where I'm going to teach you, show you how you can do this. All right, it's not difficult guys, it's all about the right information. Okay, so I'm just going to hold again. Let's see how everything goes. Thank you. I'm out. Okay guys, so back again. So what did I just tell you? All right, so I was seeing more opportunities, I added more. All right, as long as my stop loss has not been hit, we are good to go. All right, but don't try this if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, but you notice that I just reduced the lot size by 0.2 because those are just additions. All right, so I intend to close all those mini um, lot sizes. All right, the 0.2 lot size around 99310 area. All right, and then I just allow the 0.5 to run. Okay, so for longer period, I know this market is just going to come here, just retest this level, and then boom, it's going to drop all the way down again to the downside. So it's not going to break to this zone again. No, I don't think so. It's just going to be around, hanging around here, and then it's going to drop speedily to the downside. Okay, so just watch and see. Just watch and see. So wait for that major move to the downside. See, no time. This market has been resisted over here because of this other block that kind of broke structure here, so it's kind of strong, but then like I said, it will still not be able to hold to the upside. All right, looks like there are more and more bearish structures forming down here. So like I said, what did I tell you guys? It's just dropping. Okay, it's just dropping. It's just dropping. It's just dropping. Okay, so keeping it simple, keeping it real. Don't really be in a hurry. Don't be scared. Just know exactly what you're doing. Okay, keep your emotions in check. Forex is part of it. Emotions is part of it. I know people tell you try to control your emotions and all that blah blah blah. I mean, how can you do away with emotions when you are a human being? You can't really do that. Okay, it's just you can only really in a sense control it through information. All right, the more of info you know in Forex, the more calm you become. Okay, so let's watch and see how it goes. So like I said, it's just going to play around here and it's going to drop steadily to the downside. Okay, so I'm waiting for my third touch. Of course the third touch already happened, but there's another one here I can draw within this. So yeah, so let's see our trend lines if it will be respected. Okay, so let's watch and see how it goes. So market is gradually steadily moving to the upside. Let's see if it can really hold. Let's see if it can really hold. Let's see if it can really hold. Alright, so keeping it real, keeping it simple. Okay, no need to rush, don't need to be afraid, no that. So let's see if it can go beyond this zone. Then the market's really reversed, but I think it's very unlikely it's gonna happen. Let me check the 15 minutes time frame, because that is exactly where we made entries from, so that we can see exactly what's happening. All right, so yeah, okay, so the market seems to be steadily pushing upside, but I don't see any bullish structures being formed here. All right, the market definitely decided to reverse at this point. Okay, it just pulled back into this zone and it's not trying to recapture the upside, but I think it's still going to come all the way down to this zone before it decides to go up, because before the market go, it must fill in all the liquidity at the bottom. All right, it must be able to fill in the orders at the bottom. Okay, so I'm not seeing any bullish structures yet, so I'm still gonna wait and let's see how everything goes. All right, guys, so let's see. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, so it looks like the market is gradually respecting that area, like I said, and we have a very bearish government candlestick over the right there. So let's see how it goes, if it can be respected, and we'll see. Remember, guys, everything you are seeing here is just to cause you to make wrong decisions. Okay, so these things happen. That's why the market is just alright. All these candlesticks you're seeing happen at one point in time. So just keep your cool, keep your calm, and watch the market come into your zone. Alright, so no need to rush. Let's see how everything goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll be back in again. Thank you. Yeah, guys, so I just crossed back again. So what did you see? All right, like I said, the market came over here, it respected the trend line. All right, and there's a theta, so we're expecting this major momentous move to the downside. All right, so like I said, I'm hoping to close my trade somewhere at the bottom here. All right, so maybe around the 340 region will do. Okay, so let's see how everything is playing out. Okay, it seems to be doing very well, guys, so let's wait and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna set it to this point. Let's see, maybe 321. Yeah, maybe 309 321 will do. Okay, or let me just, I should just close the trace because seem to be doing very well. And okay, so this was the last sell I took. Okay, this was the last sell. Let me check the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so guys, what did I tell you? So you don't really have to be in a hurry to make hasty decisions. As long as the market is doing what you're supposed to do, then you are good to go. Okay, just keep it simple, be calm about it, all right, and watch the market do accordingly as you want. Okay, so this is how you do it. All right, this is how you do it. Remember, there's the long-term 15 minutes chart, where I use the order block flow as my positions, and that's the 0.5 lot size you're seeing over here. Okay, so this is the one I'm talking about. All right, so maybe I might hold, at least I want to hit like $50, giving me at least a 1:1 risk reward, 1:1.5, sorry, risk reward ratio. So but then sometimes if you do that, you can't be wrong. So just look at the chart and inform your decisions, make informed decisions based on the chart. Right, that's how you know exactly where the market is likely going to reverse. So you can see there's another block resting right here, and it seems to be strong. That's the reason why market is kind of reacting over here. Okay, but the market definitely is going to break this and come to the 300 mark. Okay, it has to come to the 300 mark. So what I'm going to do is I might just maybe close the 0.2 trade when it gets here. All right, so that I can concentrate on the 0.5 at this point. I think it's safe to move your stop loss to break even. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. So 393, so maybe 383 will do. 383 will do. 3. Okay, so currently we are in a risk-free trade now. Okay, because I moved our stop loss to break even. Okay, so these are simple, right, guys, like you see. So keeping it simple, keeping it real. All right, if the market reverses back into the zone, I don't really care. Okay, but if I'm using the PC, I'd rather use a trailing stop rather than just moving it manually. Okay, so let's see how it goes, guys. I'm just gonna pause the video again. Like I said, we're expecting the market to come to this zone and touch this zone. When it comes to this zone, I might close it. I might be tempted to close it. All right, so let's see how it goes. Guys. Thanks. I'm gonna pause it. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so what did I tell you? I told you the market is definitely going to come all the way down to test this zone. All right, it's just going to test this bottom over here. I don't like this kind of rejection, but hey, like I said, the market really has to move up and down before it moves. So yeah, so I'm expecting the market to come to this zone, somewhere this zone, before I close the 0.2 loss size, and then I'll just quietly watch out for the 0.5. So if it breaks below this level, let me show you guys. If it breaks below this low, Okay, then I'm gonna move my stop loss to this point, this high. All right, so let me just check the price. 993.50. Yeah, 993.50. It kind of breaked it, so I think we're in a safe zone now. So 993.50. Just gonna do that quickly. 993.50. Okay, so remember I'm doing this manually, but then you can be doing this from anywhere you want. All right, so market seems to be moving fine into my take profit zone. So let's watch and see how everything goes, guys. Watch and see how everything. Now at this point, I think it's safe to delete the sell limit order because the market was unable to get to that zone. All right, and then I'm going to delete the sell limit order for US 30 because I'm not watching the market. So guys, it's just as simple as it gets. Okay, so I was hoping to catch at least 5 pips right using the 0.2 lot size, which is somewhere around, let's say, $10. Okay, so if I make like $10, I might close the trade. But let me just check over here at the side. It looks like the market currently looks like there's enough space for the market to move down. Right, there's no market structure happening around this A zone. Okay, so if because there's been a breakout, the market is definitely going to go all the way to the downside. All right, so I might just move my stop loss somewhere here and then leave the market. Okay, so let me just adjust it a little. Just adjust a little. 99261. So 99261 as my take profit will do the trick. Okay, guys, so currently we are doing so well with the 0.2 lot size. Like I said, I want to get closer to 5 pips at least. Okay, yeah, so let me see why there's a reaction over there. Of course, the reaction is happening because of this particular candlestick formation happening right here. Okay, so let's see, it's coming back to retest this zone, but there's no other blockage, so it might just push a little up and then come down. So let's watch it and see. Let's watch and see. I just hope we are not stopped out at this point. All right, because if we are stopped out here, it means that we have lost all this opportunity. All right, all these opportunities. So I'm definitely sure it's only coming to the zone to retest the zone again. Okay, so let's see, just coming to retest this other block before it drops down again. So if it does, maybe I might just add some more. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, let's wait and see, guys. This is how you trade. You don't need to rush. Just look out for other blocks, scale it down to the 1 minute time frame and then make entries over there. This time I made an entry using the 15 minutes time frame, which means I risked more. Alright, but then we are still had a very good day, enjoying ourselves. Because I'm concentrating now on the Euro USD, I'm not unable to really scalp US 30, which is what I do most of the time. Alright, so if you really want to be a genius trading and catching the pips when it comes to US 30, where you can make a ton of money, then just contact me. Please like and subscribe to my videos. All right, to my channel. Sorry, like this video if you want more of such content. Subscribe to my channel. All right, and I can promise you you're gonna get more of such content. Okay, yeah, so market definitely has broken the structure low. Let's see. Yeah, I think it didn't anyway, so let's see if it can. If it breaks the structure low, then we know it's coming all the way to the downside. All right, but let's see. It seems to be pulling in. Oh, guys, it just happened, guys. It just happened. What did I tell you, guys? So I'm just gonna adjust this to 6-1. Okay, it looks like I'm unable to. I don't know why I'm unable to do that. I'm sure maybe because of the spread. So okay, so guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss again to 99321. Okay, 99321. So I keep adjusting, alright, as the market keeps going down in my direction. So yeah, let's see. Currently the market seems to have broken the structure, but if it closes as a bullish candle, I have some doubts. But let's see how it goes, guys. It was bullish, but it was kind of like a doji. So because of this particular candlestick formation, guys, we are already in a very safe zone. So I think it's safe. I close the trade. Okay, just gonna close the trade now. Okay, I hit my $10 mark. Great. So this has been a very good one, guys. What did I tell you guys? Keeping it real. Alright, our stop loss is right here. The market comes down to this point. I might just close it at this bottom. So let me just do something, a quick one. 99273. Check the 1 minute time frame. Okay, the market seems to be rejecting at this point, so I think It's best I close it straight, but I was hoping for something 50, but it looks like it didn't. It's gradually coming here. If it breaks above this, oh boy, I don't like this. It kind of break this structure, structural low high right here. So let's see. The program might go deeper than I would think. So let me just go to the real chart just to see. Boys, this is a total reversal. Okay, the market is definitely going to go up again to test that zone, but sometimes you never know. So just watch it. At least losing a few of that wouldn't be too hard, to bear. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm gonna adjust it to 277. I'm sure my stop loss is gonna be hit, but no problem. 277, yeah. Market seems to want to come over here to this point, so we'll see if we can hit it. Okay, but I don't like this kind of rejections over here. I don't like the rejections. Market couldn't break the structure low, so I don't know. Let's wait and see. So this is some of the points where you just have to watch the market do whatever it wants to do. All right, no hesitations. We're in the safe zone. We've already made a ton of money today, and yeah. So let's wait and see how everything plays out. Okay. Yeah, so market seems to be really pushing into this zone. Okay, so just hoping something somehow would happen and the market would finally just come down to him and take profit before he decides to go up. So let's see. Okay, market seems to be rejecting. Okay, so we have another doji right here. Doji right here. The doji is kind of favoring the bulls. Let's see. Just gonna pause the video and I'll be back. Okay guys, so we have been stopped out right here at the bottom. We have been stopped out, but like I said, it was a good trade. We were stopped out right here at the top, so I mean we did well today. So yeah, let's see how much we made for today. All right, so we made some very nice trades. Okay, so yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So thank you very much. If you're interested in the strategy, like I said, you can send me a direct message on Telegram. I'm willing to help you. This order block strategy, MQ trading live, show you how you can do it, scaling from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, trading US 30 like a Genuis, gold, cryptocurrency, any market, financial market, all right, cryptos. All right, so guys, thank you very much. I hope this video helped. Please like this video if you want more of such, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay guys, so thank you very much, and I'm out.